Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the MAGQI automatic wireless car charger mount. Now you can buy this on Amazon. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $60. Now I know what y'all going to say. Didn't you do this one already? And the answer is yes and no. Now I did a similar product to this, but unfortunately they took that one off the market and 1,000 people have been asking me to show another one. So here we go. Hashtag another one. Now on a side note, this is the dopest car charger that I got. Now it's not the fastest, but it's definitely the dopest. All right, so let's check this one out. MAGQI, magnetic qi charging. All right, let's go through the specs on this one. Now the input on this one is 5 volts, 2 amps, and the output is 5 volts, 1 amp. So you're not getting fast charge, you're getting regular charge. Now trust me when I tell you, I use this every day, it works fine. You're not really buying this for fast charge. You're buying this for the James Bond feature, and I'm going to show you how that looks in a second. All right, so let's pop this open and see what it is. All right, let me grab a little unboxing knife. What we got on deck today? Got the tiger tooth. Here we go. Rah. One more. Rah. Okay. Inside, here's your charger. All right, so we're going to have to unscrew this. Let's see if we can do this real fast. Matter of fact, I'll do that in a second. Here's your charger. This is going to be your vent mount. All right, so you stick this right in your vent. Clip it closed. Here's your adapter. This plugs into your cigarette lighter. Now this is dual USB. Now that's what separates this from the last one I showed y'all. You had to buy this separately. This one comes with the device. And here's your USB charging cable. Micro USB to USB. So to set this up, you're just going to plug one end into the car adapter, plug this into your cigarette lighter, and the bottom into the wireless charger. All right, so let me set this up, and I'll give y'all a demo so y'all can see what it looks like. Talk amongst yourselves. All right, so before we take this outside, let me show you the basics. Now, the first thing you want to do is screw in that vent mount clip to the back. Now, once you get in your car, put this in the air conditioning vent, lock it into place. On the bottom, you see that button? Once you press that, that's an adjustable cradle for different size phones. Plug in your micro USB charging cable. You're going to get this little red LED. That means you're good to go. Now let me show you the dopest part about this charger. On the front, you got an infrared sensor. So this is all one-hand operation. It's going to detect your phone. Drop your phone on. You see it's wirelessly charging, and it's going to lock it into place. Now when you want to take your phone off, you see got a touch capacitive button on the side. Put your thumb next to that. It's going to open up. Take your phone off. Now the best part about this charger is that robotic sound. That is so dope. All right, so let's take this outside and let me show you what it looks like in the car. All right, so this is what it's going to look like set up in your car. Now you can use this horizontal or vertical, your choice. I like to use it horizontally so it doesn't block my dash. All right, so we're going to try to do this one hand with a big phone and a small phone, both of them with cases. All right, so here we go. iPhone 8 Plus. Slap it on. Wirelessly charging. Now when I want to take it off, comes off just like that. iPhone 10 with a case on it. Locks into place. When you want to take it off, just like that. Now like I said, the best thing about this charger is that robotic sound. You're gonna love that. All right, so you've seen it for yourself. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major go. This is the dopest car charger that I've seen yet. Now the only downside to it, it's not quick charge, but I'll gladly sacrifice quick charge for this level of badassness. Now one more thing I forgot to mention, even once you unplug it, it still holds a little bit of charge. So you can still take your phone off even after your car's turned off. This is so dope. Anyway, this is the MAGQI automatic wireless car charging mount. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out To everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays, y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready, no meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spock, one to beam up. Energize.